in the heart of Kolkata, on the evening of the 24th of June, 2026, something remarkable took place. Hundreds of people, businessmen, community leaders, political representatives, and well-wishers came together not for a rally, not for a protest, but for something far more meaningful. They came to say, "We see you, we honor you, and we stand with you." This is the story of a grand felicitation ceremony organized by Bharadwaj Group, under the personal leadership of Shri Rakesh Singh, held at one of Kolkata's most iconic venues, the Lalit Great Eastern. The occasion, to formally welcome and honor the newly elected members of the Legislative Assembly of West Bengal, following the state's historic 2026 Assembly elections. It was an evening defined by dignity, democratic values, and the genuine goodwill of a city expressing its confidence in new leadership. 3 distinguished individuals were felicitated at the ceremony. First, Shri Arjun Singh, a newly elected MLA who has also been appointed as the West Bengal Minister of Transport. His mandate carries with it the responsibility of transforming the state's public transport landscape, and the gathering extended its warmest wishes for his ministerial journey ahead. Second, Shri Vijay Ojha, the newly elected MLA from the historically significant Jorsanko constituency in the heart of Kolkata. And third, Shri Ritesh Tiwari, another newly elected member of the West Bengal Legislative Assembly. Each of the 3 representatives received garlands, mementos, and the heartfelt congratulations of the assembled guests. The event was made possible by the initiative of Shri Rakesh Singh of Bharadwaj Group, a leader who believes that the role of business extends beyond commerce and into the broader health of the society we all share. The formal proceedings of the evening were presided over by Shri Vikrant Singh, who conducted the program with poise and ensured that each honored guest was received with the distinction the occasion demanded. Together, their combined effort transformed what could have been a simple reception into a memorable civic moment for Kolkata. The guest list was as diverse as it was impressive. City businessmen, BJP leaders, social personalities, and hundreds of well-wishers filled the elegant halls of the Lalit Great Eastern. This was not just a political event. It was a statement, by civil society, that constructive engagement with elected representatives is not just desirable, it is essential. West Bengal has turned a new page in its political history. And events like this one signal that the people of this great state are ready to meet that new chapter with hope, purpose, and unity. To Shri Arjun Singh, Shri Vijay Ojha, and Shri Ritesh Tiwari, Kolkata has welcomed you. West Bengal believes in you. Now the work begins. For the full written report, visit news24media.org. And if you found this report informative, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.